You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 82, creating an object in model. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. I am logged in using my primary account. Now let's click on Assets and then Asset Management, which is under Schemas. Now we are going to click on Network module. Make sure that security is there and firewall is there. Now let's move ahead. So let's move ahead. Under network model, we are going to click on security, and now we are going to click on create an object. Create an object. We are going to name it as policy. Object type is security. Okay. Click on create. So one object is created under policy. So in this lab, we have created an object in model. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.